Welcome back to my casita kitchen. Today we are cooking green chicken enchiladas. This is the third video in 5+ complete meals for the week. And these are dinner meals. This is not breakfast and lunch. So here is my meal plan. You can go back and watch that video here if you want to see it. So for the chicken enchiladas, this meal is costing $5.86. So it's real easy. It's just throw some stuff in a tortilla, put it in the oven, and come back and you got wonderful enchiladas. Let me show you what we're gonna do. Okay, what we're gonna do today is make chicken enchiladas. As I said previously, I cooked a whole chicken in the crock pot and I divided it up into 5 of these containers. And for the whole week, I am cooking strictly chicken dishes. So this week, I pull one of these every day out of the refrigerator or freezer if I froze it and make a meal. So this is a real easy recipe. All I'm gonna do is use, these were $1 a piece from Walmart, green enchilada sauce, the chicken, cheese, and put it in the oven. So I've already heated up my tortillas. And this is designed for 8 enchiladas, which we will have leftovers. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce inside, and then cheese. Gotta have cheese, cheese. And then we'll put cheese on top. Roll the enchilada and repeat. I think also I want a little bit of enchilada sauce in the bottom of the pan. Chicken. This is going to be enough chicken. Might even have leftover chicken. And a little sauce. It's just that easy. It's just that easy. I'm going to roll this one around too. You can stuff them as much as you want or as little as you want. Okay, how about 7? I'm going to stuff this one in there somehow. You could do these flat too, like in a casserole. I wouldn't have to roll them. Scoot over here. All right, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna 2, 4, 6, 7. All right. Gonna pour on the enchilada sauce. You want it saucy. And cheese. Top it with some cheese. And this is extra. I made some homemade tortilla chips and some guacamole. That is not in the cost of this meal, but this is what we're having with it. Chips and guacamole. Okay, I've already taken the foil off. It's bubbly. I think it's done. I can never get these. That's big. Big bang. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Gouda. Yeah, let's get one or two. Make a mess. Make a mess. Can never get them out in one piece. Oh well. They're good and tender. Alright. It's steamy, but I'm gonna see if I can't take a little bite. Cheesy. Cheesy, cheesy. Tortilla is really soft. I like that. All right. I hope you are enjoying this series. You can return for the next video. I have 2 recipes left, chicken pot pie and chicken fried rice. So stay tuned and be on the lookout for that video.